Hi everybody, how are you? It's Miranda here doing life, and today in my life I have, for the second month, well the second time we'll say, my Norlii box. So if you want to know what is inside this home lifestyle subscription box, then stick around.
There must be another way, there must be conscious, different things in different ways, there must be love, there must be...
Alright, so like I said, this box right here from Norlii is from Scandinavia. It is a home decor slash lifestyle box. It can contain items that are somewhat minimalistic or Hygge related, and it traveled to me all the way from Scandinavia. It comes bi-monthly and you get 3 to 5-ish items. Last month my box, or last time I got the box, it was breakfast kind of themed, and so that was pretty cool. And they put things in here that you would normally not find in the US, so I like that. The price of the box is $69.95 plus $7 shipping, and it's usually around $150, I'd say between like $90 and $115 worth of products in here. So let's get started and let's see what's in this box. I have my scissors here. I will say last time I opened the box was my first time, and one of the items came broken. I got a replacement like in a week. It was super quick. I don't know how they got it to me so fast, but she said you'll see it in a week, and I did. So that was nice. It's real wrapped. It's really well wrapped. I don't hear anything shaking around in there this time, so hopefully nothing comes broken. All right, this is what it looks like. So we have a little tissue paper over it, and then some stuffings there. All right. I do not know if there is a theme or what the theme is this month, because I didn't peek. All right, the first thing is out of a little box, and I don't know what it is, but it looks like a little quilted bag, and it says something Denmark. Let's see what's in this. Whatever it is, it smells good. It kind of smells like the Lush store. Have you guys ever been in the Lush store? It smells so good. And it's nicely wrapped like a little package. Some jute rope. Alright. How to find your happy Hygge place. Your June box focuses on accomplishing everyday luxury that reduces the senses and delivers wellness to your soul. I have curated the box with items you can use to create a space for yourself, a place where you feel cozy, calm, and content. And that is Hygge. Making a beautiful, harmonious interior enhances an atmosphere for reflection and positive thoughts. I need positive thoughts right now. Like, I left my house to go on vacation in Tennessee for 10 days, or 8 days it was, with Matthew, and came back by myself. So I'm all alone here right now. With a focus on soft textures, a ray of light, and coordinated colorways, the homewares in your Norlii box are sure to bring a touch of tranquility to your home, indoors or out. I love that. All right. So this right here, this little bag, it does tell me what's in here. Velvet Vanity Bag by I.B. Larson. in the color Fog. Collect your favorite items in this bag. The subdued foggy earth color and the So Soft Velvet is a tactile experience for you. Keep your favorites in the bag. We have started it up by adding a hand cream. Now you can add a notebook for collecting positive statements, a nourishing lip balm, or how about your reading glasses? A strap makes the bag suitable for hanging on a hook. And it's worth $23. So it has a little thing here. So there's the bag. All right, then this must be the hand cream. It says Ultim hand cream. And hand cream Ultim by I.B. Larson. Washing and sanitizing hands takes its toll on your skin. Help is here. Ultim is Latin and means high tide or flood tide. Just like the tide cleanses, brings new life, and nourishes the sea, the Ultim hand cream is replenishing your hands. The main ingredients of the Ultim series are the sheer natural Nordic herbs such as cornflower, rosehip, sea buckthorn, and chamomile flower, giving you a genuine and unspoiled sense of pure well-being. And it's worth $17. That is a good size. It is a 50 ml or 1.7 fluid ounces, and it says marsh herbs. Give this a smell. It smells nice and earthy. Oh, that is a good thick hand cream. Can you guys see that? I had my nails done while I was in Tennessee. My sister-in-law, she has her nail guy comes to her house. How amazing is that? That was such a great experience. And she's like, hey, you want to get your nails done here at the house? And I was like, yes, please. So I got them dipped. It was the first time I'd ever gotten my nails dipped before. I don't really like that they're curved. I should have told him to do more of a square cut, but I'm getting used to them. But I love the color for spring. All right. So there is, looking out a little, the hand cream. And then let's see what this is. These are Ultim scented sachet and marsh herbs. And this one is an amber. I can hold on to it. This one's an amber. Let's smell this. Take it out of the little plastic and see if I can smell anything. I've got that hand cream on my hands now. Smells pretty good. All right. Scent bags, Ultim by I.B. Larson, of course. These little miracle workers create the final touch for your Hygge nook, making your mind relax and quiet down. And they're worth $2.50 a bag. Alrighty. There's that. And then I have something in a box. All right. I have to bring my scissors over here. The last item is this hurricane. It's got a bamboo handle here, And let's see what it says. It says Glass Hurricane by Brost Copenhagen, mouth blown glass. In grape leaf is the color. The natural mouth blown glass creates texture to your home. Give it warmth and a homey feel, while the subdued color scheme of whites, grays, blacks, and browns are dominating in the calmness of a Scandinavian home. Accents of the vibrant grape leaf green create a personal look. The lantern's elegant and simple form is stunning by itself, and the smooth bamboo handle is practical for moving the lamp. Use the Glass Hurricane with a tea light, small candle, or LED candle, and it's worth $49. So I'll show you one more time up close. It is very pretty. I will see if I can find a little candle to stick in here to show you what it looks like at the end of the video. Let's go ahead and add up what the total worth of the items are. $49 plus $23 plus $17 plus $5 comes to $94 is what the total price of everything is. All right, jury's still out on what I think of this box. I really do like the Hurricane. I think it is very pretty, and it is not like anything that I currently own. I kind of liked the last box better. I think I kind of got more for my money, but I'm gonna give it one more try because I like to give every box 3 months before I give it the boot. But let me know in the comments below what you think, and let's see what this little Hurricane looks like all lit up. Really quickly, this is what the Hurricane looks like on my mantle. That is my favorite old window that I got at the architectural salvage store. And then here is a close-up of the Hurricane. I've got a pretty good sized candle in there. Hopefully you can see. And I think it'll be really pretty all lit up. All right, I hope everybody has a lovely day. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video.